Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar CAD monthly, I still think this is an A, this is a B, and I think we're going to end up going down for a wave C, which should be an A, B, C, or B. Eventually, it'll end up continuing back up, I think, for a wave C, which should be a wave B or 2. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as impulsive down wave A. I still think that we may have already found a top for the wave B. This thing has been very, very sideways, and eventually I do think it is going to break to the downside for a wave C, probably a wave C of wave B. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this thing has been extremely sideways for over 2 months now. Very, very, very sideways market. At some point, I think it is going to break to the downside, and I think that this is a wave one, this is a wave two, and that we are going to go down for a wave three. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci retracement levels. I kind of suspect that this right here could already be an ABC crescent. So if we do get a nice solid break of structure to the downside, a nice break below structure, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. As of right now on the sort of time frames, I am definitely looking for longs. I think that it could possibly even go up to a higher fib level. But if it breaks structure, that will make me stop looking for longs and I'll start looking for shorts again. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, unless it breaks this structure right here, I am looking for longs. If this makes an engulfing move to the upside, especially if you get a break, then I would go long again, maybe ride it all the way up to the 61.8. On the other hand, if it keeps drifting down and it breaks this structure, then I will stop looking for longs and I will start looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. You have to remember on the higher time frames, we are expecting a wave 3 at some point, and at some point this thing's going to break down very, very strong and probably just keep on trending. There's really no important news for the US dollar this week or really next week, so that's why I kind of feel like it's probably more likely that it will drift up to a higher Fibonacci level and probably continue to correct on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.